Hi, this is aero-stuff. James is going to show you how to apply a vinyl graphic where the backing appears to be sticking to it. There's three parts to the sticker. The clear part, as you see, is pulling up, is called the transfer tape. Then there's the sticker and the backing. You want the sticker, the graphic, to stick to the transfer tape. So James will show you how you get it to stick to the transfer tape. Squeegee it a little bit. Then with the face down, start peeling back the backing. And see, it sticks a little bit, but you press it back down till it releases and adheres to the transfer tape. And it's best to roll it back at 180 degrees. It's less likely to come up. And just take your time. There'll be places where it'll try and stick to the backing. And then what James is going to do is peel it almost to the back. He wants to get to the last letter and get that started. Really sticking a little bit there, just take your time. There's the last letter. Okay, now he'll gently press the backing back down. And we're going to show you the hinge method. The hinge method of applying the stickers, you put a piece of masking tape on it. And then you can place it wherever you want it. You can get your ruler out or whatever and get it placed where you want it. And then you fold it back like a hinge. And you remove the backing completely. Here again, take your time. 180 degrees is best. There's the last letter. Now this is critical when you put it down. You want to start from the center first and then go outward. And you squeegee it down. Then he'll remove the masking tape. And then he'll take the transfer tape and remove that. Once again at 180 degrees, taking your time. And when you're done, it'll be placed exactly where you want it. There you go. Thanks for watching.